Hello everyone, and welcome to training tutorial number 6 for the lathe training tutorial. For the first step, you are asked to set up the graphic user interface, which we've already done here. So we're going to continue on to step number 2, which is setting up the rectangle in order to represent the outside profile. So come up to the top and select wireframe and select rectangle here. Insert the value -24 by 0.75 and hit enter on your keyboard. When this is done, select the auto cursor drop-down menu and select origin. Select OK. Right-click here and fit to screen. Your part should look as shown. Come up to the top and select line parallel. Select this line, sketch over to the right-hand side, and give this a value of 1.625 and hit enter on your keyboard. Select this line entity again, over to the right-hand side, give it a value of 2.625 and hit enter on your keyboard. Select this line, sketch over to the right, and give it a value of 3.375, hitting enter on your keyboard. And lastly, select this line here, sketch over to the right hand side, and give this a value of 4.375 and hit enter on your keyboard. Your part should look as shown. Come down to the horizontal line here, select it, and sketch above. Give this a value of 0.25 and hit enter on your keyboard. Select this line once more, sketch above, and give this a value of 0.5. Select OK when done. Your part should look as shown. Zoom in if need be. Come up to the top and select line endpoint. Select this endpoint here, followed by this endpoint here, and this endpoint followed by this endpoint here. Once this is done, your part should look as shown. Select these two lines and hit delete on your keyboard. Come up to the top and select fillet entities. Give the radius a value of 0.125 and hit enter on your keyboard. Also make sure trim entities is selected. Select this line followed by this line, and select this line followed by this line. Once this is done, select OK and create new operation. Insert the radius value of 0.0625 and hit enter on your keyboard. Once you have this done, select this line to this line, and then this line to this line. Come up to the top and select OK. Come up to the top and select Trim Break Extend. Come over to the left-hand side and select the Divide key, and select this line entity followed by this line entity. Select OK when done. Come up to the top and select Chamfer Entities. Insert the distance 0.0625 and hit enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, select this entity to this entity, and select this entity to this entity, followed by this entity to this entity, and this entity to this entity, chamfering all the corners. Once this is done, come up to the top and select OK. Your part should look as shown. Right-click and select Fit. Once we've created geometry on the back side of the part, we will now create geometry for the front end of the part. If need be, zoom in so you can see this side a little bit better. Come up to the top and select Line Parallel. Select this line and sketch above. Give it a value of 0.25. Select this line again, sketch north of the line, and give it a value of 0.5. Select this line, sketch north, give it a value of 0.65 and hit enter on your keyboard. Select this line over to the right hand side and sketch to the left, give it a value of 1.5. Select this line again, sketch over to the left, give it a value of 2.75. Select this line again, sketch over to the left hand side, give it a value of 3.125, Select this line again, sketch over to the left-hand side, give it a value of 3.375. Select this line again, sketch over to the left-hand side, give it a value of 4. And lastly, select this line one more time, sketch over to the left-hand side, give it a value of 4.625, and hit enter on your keyboard. Come up to the side here and select OK. Select chamfer entities. Make sure the style is 1 distance and the distance 1 is set to 0.0625 and hit enter on your keyboard. Select this line to this line, followed by this line to this line. Select OK when done. Come up to the top and select Trim Break Extend and select the Divide Delete button. Select this line, and this line to delete. Over on the left-hand side, select Trim to Entities. Select this line to this line. Select this line to this line. And select this line to this line. Once this is done, select this line to this line. Select this line to this line, select this line to this line, and this line to this line. Your part should look something like this. Select OK, come up to the top and select Relief Groove. Make sure the shape is OD thread, and the dimensions we select from table. We are looking for this relief groove here. Select OK. Make sure the orientation is +X with shoulder on right deselected. Make sure break lines at groove is also selected and give the position a value of -1.5 and hit enter on your keyboard. Make sure this icon is also selected. Select OK when done. Your relief groove will appear here. Come up to the top and select Relief Groove again. Make sure the shape is OD thread and select from table. This time we're looking for this relief groove here. Select OK when you have it, and for position, select this box here. Select this endpoint here, and hit enter on your keyboard. As you can see, the position will now change to -2.75. Make sure this is selected here as well, and select OK. Your relief groove will look as shown. Right-click and select Fit. Come up to the top and select File and Save.